Globally, all countries are going to report on certain indicators to measure their developmental status. Gambia is not an exception to that. And the indicators that we are collecting are all going to be reported in 2015. The page also, that is 2012-2015, the page program, a medium-term plan for the country, is also going to end 2015. So by 2015, using these figures that we're going to collect in this, we're going to be reporting to see how far we've gone as a state. So the importance of this exercise is across the board. We'll measure our development, our socio-economic development, our health development, education, agriculture, and even incomes of households will also be measured. So it's across the board. Yeah, in short.
Now, we understand that teams have been distributed across the country. Where are they as of now with the teams? Yeah,
as of now, we are within the West Coast region. We did Banjul, we completed Banjul, we completed KMC. Our teams are now with West Coast region. And now they are almost halfway with West Coast. If they are through with West Coast, now we expect to deploy them to the rest of the country. That's on the pipeline. That's what has been planned.
How has been the response?
The response with regards to the past areas that we visited, the response has been very, very good, very good. With the responses of Banjul and KMC, we've definitely get what we expected. Problems have to come here and there, but those are expectations that every exercise you need to anchor all those things. But generally, in trying to describe the nature of the success, I think we've succeeded a lot in these two areas, that's KMC and Banjul, and we expect the same thing to continue with the rest of the regions of the country.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, Ami Bojang, also working with Gambia Bureau of Statistics, she is here to tell the Jola community the importance of this Gambia demographic and the health survey. Ami, the floor is yours.
Assalamu alaikum bukanaketi Gambia kami kajikarake GATS di kalimo rewe. Mujo manjipullo di kabama kankone Gambia Bureau of Statistics. Ko kami officiel no yewe kemi kuwe pinebu kanak di mafamati Gambia. Kulenga ke kawunya pinita kulen ku gaba bibe jaat ba kasafe kan jombe kan de sukeitu bare kuna kasafe law ke nafayoli ko kami kuma mambeju esuketi Gambia wanjome kajikira fan kami kasumuto kan konem AIDS malaria di katite ke fusimo febu kanak saka ku seka di ku nyina kanu manja ko bajot ku simit soni fotok wanjome kan o kami jodi bu kanak papa di mo fam tu kasafe la ko te kan bare mo fam tu problème si lu pe sujo jijem esukiyano sani yoy manesa fele di unyena wole di nyaaji joja esukiyano sani sisinkiras jingaren singiro ngi soni kabana ndi fotok sisinkiras sira joja ko ji chenge manji man bagal kala ka ko li bu ko bukan ko mutumbu ko ndo simite soli karange yoli tere ipa jadi sisinkiras da panjuke ku sek kanu manje ko kuma mbaje simit soni unyen di fotok jobe jobe kanku baki di futoro baki kan manji ni mo seka kami di simite sete baje ko nyila dal ko ji lake manji cengi ku webu yego boli man kom meno diwlim sa woli e be joli ko nyila ku joja lopitan wan ku baje mbodi lopitani ski penge san ku baje di ko top tora ku kane di lopitani di ku nyila ko ne kan manje ku baje simit futok po wan ku na ku jem no so wan ku waren ku baje kanya ku baje nyama. Bare po kabi nangi stande brokobe nyemo me dikankan Banjul di KMC nyamo fa moti birika ma jom di banjabo panji isor manji jobe esukeitu tate be basse bare pini rek ni mom joba jila bu kanak jibija di silu pesoli du ko rambe nori manku jabi lono sani wan jote cengi kuri man kan joto nyabe ngare panku rambe mo famiti kambe yakajom kula ko jabe nen wurung wan manji pangol ujetu bukanak fo diku man te ko te jumo manku rambe bukanak disika fa se mo ke seti dunia san manje sos botinge pour karambe nak ke sisuke saka Africa manku jog mete isi jojo fo.
Good. Thank you very much. I mean, I think we understand some of the basic language that you're trying to portray outside. Mr. Jallow, the Fula form a bulk of our population also. They are very important. Yes. And they are also part and parcel of this Gambia demographic and health survey. Yes. But what exactly is the importance of this survey as far as their consumption is concerned?
Thank you. Anja Mamushibe Fulbe, Medenka Gambia Radio Television, we are at GRTS, Mimido Cherno, Milogol like Gambia Bureau of Statistics. The Baleno Meden Itagol Mongol, Ngol Baby no dirtai Angale Gambia Demographic Health Survey. Ligede non hide jogi nafore moja sabuna itagol ngon me woni wadde ton ko itagol mangol ngon andanda walla e leydi ndin pour waawgol andugol hoore men hondo wonirde e bangal cellal hodo ngon e piiji goddi andanda e den hutoro landigalji di men landoto din non ko landigalji hewdi men yewtida e yimbe be andanda ko worbe wonbe gila duubi sappo e jowi ha duubi capande jowi e jeenayi e rewbe wonbe duubi sappo e jowi ha capande nayi e jeenayi kanyum may sukabe jiminaabe be andanda hebe duubi jowi ha ley be fo men yewtida e mabbe ita pour ndara jijam mabbe si tay jawali walla jippike walla ndara kadi si tay be hebali malaria walla HIV AIDS men arali non pour wigol men dabbita jogi be HIV AIDS kono ko men woni wadde itagol gol biko sareji go fo no wadde dum e der Africa Gambia non ko dum do woni go ko men fuddi dum meden wada dum non pour ndagol andugol enen kadi honto fewndori den pour sen wayi dumandire hore men e sareji goddi din ha pare non landagol gol meden fuddorno gila Banjul men gayni to men ari Serakunda men gayni Serakunda joni meden ka West Coast region Brikama en nabi ha hede Gunjur en se men gayni ton kadi men continuer men yaha do gila nyomi on opa nyomi lowa nyomi ha jokaru yara ha base on kadi ha wulli fo men hewto e jon non ko men ko wadi meden wada dum ko pour andugol honno cellangal e honno yimbe be woni hodirde gon sabuna menen statistics ko dum do men woy wadde men meden woy wadde yejjitagol ji hewde e der leydi din kono gol do sifa yejjitagol ko gol do men fuddi dum kono non wadi meden wada dum wona non mo kala landede ka sare no wodi yimbe subabe ko wiyete e angale enumeration area ha pare wona kala wondo e der dum tundu landete no wodi joma fayendeji subabe no wa kom tundu wo tundu ko jom fayendeji noga e jowi subete e ko dum wadi meden ara galleji go meden diwa galleji go pour harabe setinane be anda wona mo kala wawete landade e ko dum non men woni fewndo do pour wawgol andugol ha pare men yejjoto kadi piiji de andanda ko din hutorto den comme dian yarete dan e landan dan ande si tay no jogi material ji sohlade din pour wawgol wallugo yimbe ben e cellal mabbe.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jalo. Back to you, Mr. Sani, this time in Mandinka version. How safe is this blood sample collection? Are the personnel who are going to collect these things, highly trained and, equipped to undergo such an exercise?
Okay. Thank you very much. Mbali kontonna. Men be lamo kan men be jates jibe kan watin comme mon jaya fo nyamen ni watin kono be kiskisro la me ka fa ko demography and health survey kiskisro nyin kono nyin karol bi jele anim fanan ka yelo fananta molbul men yalon ko siebe sanji tan nin lulu kata fo sanji tan nane anin kono to men musolti anim men be sanji tan lulu kata fo sanji tan lulu anin kono to kewul anin dinol men fanan be siebe sanji lulu akana dumana modin jay ko me nyin karo ko nyamen ko menni kam mol yelolta fo ya ham sot le bang ya londo sot le bang ani ya fero sot le bang pour ka mol yelota atre me mantora ni nyin ka wala mbaflen ha kadu mol men bembulu wo mo klion leben na loptanol to ni mol sasata ni ko ngole dimi e kata mo klion la wala ke yelota e ka jibe fo e sasa sot fo masot is boro di la sasa men bela wodo nyin ila training kola ila tara na loptanol to do ko le o training ko la brim be nyin sauver nyin brim ba start kan mole bot nan America me ya lonko aba do ko la macro ni men be do ko la o consultant na me ya la na nyin lab technician train ay la fa londo la ay hamo la fa nyin ko ka nyamen so ni ko nyako mole men be yelo takan ya londo sotole andun a jorawol fanam be bulle ka yelo ta menna andun ba mexola i ka yelo tete me ya ite man torala so mo kana sila ni misale fe ko bere dimba yelo tala dukore sila kuntu jetindo e ka yelo mentaji yelen dinnem dron ni e so fanga aka asoka bonko ko ni dunduma no e bun aka dimi wala nyam ha e buka bakala man duka yelo mentaji tondolam na siara tondi nani ha wote mo ate mo man torala ndun nim mo rondi yelo ni yata ni yelo ni mankita e ba fole wodo blado ko ha yelo mankita e si kayto safe eta loptano to men sutiyatela ni e yelo ta fana nim malera courant be yelo kon aussi blado fa ba fole ko ha ye malera courant so e si kayto safe ya fo ta loptano men sutiyatela bari HIV courant ni misal fe ye yelo ta HIV bu ko jibe wodo blado de